It's always a treat to see a deer in one of their natural habitats, but too often lately, deer have been photographed close to our homes and neighborhoods with netting, wiring, or other materials tangled in their antlers. And a big reason deer have become so comfortable around humans is because of people intentionally putting out food that attracts the animals.
I'm Captain Patrick Foy with the California Department of Fish and Wildlife. Today we're going to talk about how people and deer can better coexist. Feeding deer is illegal. There are many valid reasons why it is illegal, all of them in the best interest of the deer.
Feeding deer unnaturally brings them close together and makes them vulnerable to predators and poachers. Feeding deer facilitates the spread of disease. Feeding deer interferes with their normal migratory patterns. Feeding deer makes them comfortable around urban areas and exposes them to vehicle collisions and tangling up in any number of human objects such as volleyball nets, tree swings, construction fencing, hammocks, and other backyard items. And finally, putting food out for deer attracts other wildlife and poses the same problems for them. Once again, it is illegal in California to feed deer.
We hope you understand the rationale for the law. No one wants to see you in court because you are feeding deer, and the deer are better off without our help.